Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1975 Ford Bronco 5.0, fuel injected, hardest brakes, power steering, nice restoration, running, excellent running and driving Bronco. I got the MSD distributor, MSD blaster, painless wiring. Atomic, MSD, ceramic coated headers. Just a nice unit. Or a couple little places down here. One little one there. It was restored a while ago. I think it was restored in the late teens. Little chip there. Little one there. We've got the proper touch-up paint for it, so we will go over that, take care of that. There's another right there. A couple little ones right there. Another tiny one here. But I'm telling you, this is a nice ride. BF Goodrich mud terrain radials. And you can find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. We're located in Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. About 30 minutes from the International Airport. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. If you'd like to fly out and take a look at this in person, we welcome that. Be more than happy to pick you up. Take you to any one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take the car, in this case SUV, out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We do have great financing options, so you do not need all the money. Usually it's around 10%. Credit is everything, so you don't have to have perfect credit, but you do have to have some credit. Just nicely done. Love this two-tone interior. Just got this unit in from Arizona, so sometimes when it gets hot, the rearview mirror does fall down. We'll have that remounted. Again, just nice. That was a little chip right there. Just a nice unit. Do have the seat belts in the back. Padded roll bars here. Nice. It does have a tow hitch with electrical, so if you wanted to pull a small trailer, that would be optional. But just a nice unit. A little touch up right there and another little touch up there. We'll take this bad boy for a ride. Love the fuel injection. Pick up the phone and call me. My name's Mark. It's 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. If you would, please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Leave your feedback and comments below. Love to hear from you. We normally have 45 vehicles in stock. All of them are serviced. We go through them, top to bottom, front to back. Get them road ready and safe for the new owner. set it in, so we'll do a paint correction, go through it, do some little touch-ups that have been driven, so they all have some touch-up. Odometer's reading 38,288. We have no way to say what the miles are. That's just what the odometer is reading. It does have a Bluetooth radio. We did notice the windshield wiper sprayer works, but the wipers are presently not working, and our temp gauge, and we will address those two issues. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.